Listen up, you lot! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a challenge that even some of the best chefs struggle with, keeping it healthy and delicious day in and day out. Let's be honest, life gets busy, and sometimes the last thing you want to think about after a long day is cooking a complicated, healthy meal from scratch. That's where meal prepping comes in. It's your secret weapon to staying on track with your nutrition goals. This week, we're diving into some simple, nutritious meal prep ideas that will have you feeling like a champion all week long. No more excuses about not having time or resorting to unhealthy takeout. Get your notepads ready, because I'm about to share some absolute gems to revolutionize your meal prep game. Now, breakfast, as you've heard 1,000 times, is the most important meal of the day. It's the fuel that jumpstarts your engine and sets you up for success. And let me tell you, a good breakfast doesn't have to be a complicated affair. We're starting our meal prep journey with overnight oats, a true breakfast of champions. They're packed with fiber, protein, and all sorts of goodness to keep you feeling full and energized until lunchtime. Get your jars ready, because this is foolproof. We're talking rolled oats, your choice of milk. I like almond or coconut, a dollop of yogurt for that tang, a drizzle of honey for sweetness, and a sprinkle of chia seeds for good measure. Pop it in the fridge overnight and boom, breakfast is sorted for the entire week. Lunchtime, the midday slump. You're lagging, your stomach is rumbling, and you're about to reach for that bag of chips. Stop right there. We're not letting a perfectly good meal prep plan go to waste. This week, we're conquering lunch with a classic grilled chicken salad. It's packed with protein to keep you full and focused all afternoon, and it's so versatile you'll never get bored. Start by grilling up a batch of chicken breasts, seasoned simply with salt, pepper, and a squeeze of lemon. While that's resting, prep your salad base. Think crisp lettuce, crunchy cucumbers, juicy tomatoes, and whatever other veggies take your fancy. Once the chicken is cooked and cooled, slice it up and portion it out over your salad greens. Now let's talk about snacks. We all get those mid-afternoon cravings, but instead of reaching for something processed and sugary, let's have a healthy and delicious option on hand. This week, we're prepping hummus and veggie sticks. It's a match made in heaven, creamy, flavorful hummus paired with crunchy, refreshing vegetables. Making your own hummus is dead simple, but if you're short on time, a good quality store-bought version will do the trick. Now, for the veggies, let's get creative. Carrots, celery, cucumber, bell peppers. The more colorful, the better. Chop them into sticks, portion them out into containers, and you've got yourself a satisfying and nutritious snack to see you through the afternoon slump. Remember, snacking shouldn't be about deprivation. It's about making smart choices that fuel your body and satisfy your taste buds. Right, dinner time, and after a long day, the last thing you need is a complicated recipe. We're keeping things simple and satisfying with a quinoa and veggie stir-fry. Quinoa, my friends, is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids that our bodies need. It's also a good source of fiber and iron, making it a true nutritional powerhouse. Start by cooking the quinoa according to package instructions. While that's going, chop up your favorite vegetables. I like to use a mix of colors and textures for added interest. Heat some oil in a wok or large pan and stir-fry those veggies until they're tender crisp. Add in your cooked quinoa, a splash of soy sauce or teriyaki for flavor, and you've got yourself a delicious and nutritious dinner in minutes. Now, for those with a sweet tooth, myself included, we can't forget about dessert. But instead of reaching for sugary treats that leave you feeling sluggish, let's opt for something lighter and more nourishing. This week, we're indulging in Greek yogurt with berries, a classic combination that's both delicious and good for you. Greek yogurt is packed with protein and calcium, while berries are bursting with antioxidants and fiber. Simply spoon some Greek yogurt into individual containers, top with your favorite berries. I love a mix of strawberries, raspberries, and blueberries. And you've got yourself a sweet and satisfying treat that won't derail your healthy eating efforts. You can even add a drizzle of honey or a sprinkle of granola for some added crunch. Get creative and make it your own. There you have it. 5 simple and delicious meal prep ideas to keep you feeling your best all week long. Remember, meal prepping is all about setting yourself up for success. By taking a little time at the beginning of the week to plan and prepare your meals, you're making a commitment to your health and well-being. So, what are you waiting for? Give these recipes a try and let me know what you think in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more healthy living tips and tricks.